If you're looking to make that leap into home ownership, it can be intimidating as well as exciting. There are so many things to think about: the house you want, that down payment, how much you can afford, so plan. First of all, decide if home ownership is right for you. It is a big investment. It is good debt. However, situations can change, so know that it's the right time to buy a house. Down payment is super important, and if you start early enough, you could have that down payment within a year or two. There are definitely great savings vehicles out there for you to put towards a down payment. The RSP is one of them. First-time home buyers can actually withdraw up to $25,000 from their RSP without penalty. When you're buying a house, there will be additional costs: property taxes, any condo fees, lawyer fees, as well as any inspection fees. A financial advisor or a realtor can help with that. Come to Servus Credit Union. We'll make you feel good about your home and your money.